Any questions?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
Knock yourself out.
Don't you open up that window. Don't you let out the
Croissant.
poppin' pills is all we know.
Croissant.
Is all we know. Don't go through the front.
Croissant.
It's low key at the
Croissant.